Hey guys, today I'm excited to show you the incredibly useful new app NannyHunt, which provides parents with an efficient and easy way to look for nannies and babysitters in their area, as well as babysitters with a quick way to network and find jobs. With NannyHunt, parents can match with nannies that perfectly meet their needs and qualifications, all in one convenient app. In this video, made in partnership with NannyHunt, we're going to show you how you can completely change the way you manage your kids' well-being and look for jobs using this incredible app. You can download NannyHunt today for free using the link below. Let's take a closer look. When parents need to be out of the house for work, social gatherings, or other reasons, it can be difficult to find someone to look after the kids on short notice. With NannyHunt, you can find babysitters close to your location that you can automatically contact when you need their services. Start off by creating an account and entering your location. Once completed, the app will automatically give you a list of nannies, also using the app that you can filter by distance from your address. If you don't want to contact a specific nanny, you can also post a job by describing how many kids you have, their ages, how long you'll be away from home, and whether or not you have pets in the house. Nannies that meet your needs can then see your job posted on the app and reach out to you if they're available. With so many helpful tools, NannyHunt allows you to find a babysitter with the right experience and qualifications, meeting your needs and making your life so much easier. In addition to services for parents, NannyHunt also allows babysitters to find local jobs that they might otherwise have not known about. Nannies can start job hunting by creating their profile and listing their qualifications, such as how much experience they have, whether they are CPR certified, comfort level around pets, and so much more. You can even list your hourly rate, fun activities you like to do with kids, and special skills you have, like the ability to help out with homework. Once your profile is on the app, parents can reach out to you, allowing you to negotiate when you'll be able to work and what services will be required of you. If you don't want to wait, you can also look up posted jobs in your area and find one that meets your schedule and qualification level. Whether you're a new babysitter looking to make some extra money on the side or a professional nanny, NannyHunt has something for everyone, providing parents and babysitters alike with a quick and convenient way to network and find jobs. With a wide variety of resources for parents and babysitters, NannyHunt is a fantastic networking and job hunting app, ensuring that kids will be paired with the nannies that are right for them. No matter where you are, NannyHunt will find a job that fits your needs and will find you a nanny if that's what you're looking for. So be sure not to miss out on this amazing app and download NannyHunt today for free using the link below.